Welcome to Cooking Conspiracy. Giovanna's joined us today and we will be doing Cotolette. She tells me the glove is not necessary. Can you explain what the purpose of the glove is?
What? This?
The glove.
Because I don't like cheese smell in my hand.
Hear that? No cheese smell in the hand. Although some people might be into that. If you use the snow cow feed, you don't need to worry about it.
We will make like 6 cotolette or something like that, so 2 eggs are enough for us.
Now, did Grandma use a glove or did she get cheese
No.
smell? I guess if she kills me, she won't leave fingerprints. So that's good to know.
What's the problem with my gloves?
Nothing. Well, maybe we'll put a voting block in and let the viewers decide about the glove. Yes or no on the glove.
When I will show you what we have to do, you will say the glove is a good idea. Some pepper.
I thought you just put like oil on your hands so you don't get.
I don't want
stuff.
things here. Okay, usually some people use parsley too, but I don't want parsley. I still don't know why we don't buy already grated cheese.
This is
Ready! Like, when my grandma taught me how to cook cotolette, if you don't cook cotolette with chicken, but you cook that with meat, before you can put the meat in the vinegar for like 1 hour.
So it softens.
No, I mean this way when you will fry the meat after you can smell like a bit of vinegar, it's so good. But with chicken now it's not. The flour first, and then you have to put in the egg. After the egg, you have to put the cotolette in here. Okay. Maybe the glove is not the perfect idea.
We'll let our voters decide.
This cotolette is too big.
That's what she said. Are you beating that meat? Yes, I think she's beating the meat. You know. Okay. Now, what comes first again?
Okay. First step is flour.
So how do you think this chicken died?
I don't know, babe.
I guess could have been choked.
Can you open another hand, please? Because look at my hand. This is why you should wear gloves.
Okay. You gotta remember one for each dog.
Maybe they have their chicken.
Yes. Dried dog food. Yeah, do you know what Kiko needs?
What's that? What's that? This egg?
A nail pencil.
Where you found that?
Non lo so.
I think we should like call the YouTube channel. Like we have to change name.
It's starting to get warm in here.
Babe, open the window. Oh my God, you read my mind.
Hear that? I'm a mind reader. Ha 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 ha.
Close. Out the kitchen. I put like a bit of flour.
See if it sizzles right away. Alright.
The Deutsch is not a safe place. Poor dog. Yeah, I like when it's this one. Father turkey's right now.
Are you going to translate Katso for our English viewers?
No. A bit of salt. Huh, perfect.
For our viewers at home, can you give us some tips about kitchen safety? I know my grandmother also needs this tip for the wood stove as well.
Never put paper towel next to the oven.
Okay.
Like to the cooker. It's a terrible idea. There was a big fire.
The entire apartment complex almost just died.
And then, baby, I was trying to kill the fire, like doing. I don't know, it was terrible.
Well, they missed the excitement. I guess this is what I get. I should have left the camera rolling. I apologize, viewers.
This is mine. Look, I like this a big part. I like that. Babe.
What?
Do you know this flower is like 30 March 2019?
Huh. She's calling bullshit on my flour. I think my flour is good enough.
What month is now?
Maybe that's just when it was made. Yeah, who reads Italian now? Who reads Italian now?
Yeah, and then like 30 May 2020. Okay, you are right.
My flour is good. The conspiracy for today was that my flour was 6 months, 7, 8, 9, 10, almost 10 months overdue.